In this question it is given that the graph between two temperature scales A and B is shown in figure. Between the upper fixed point and lower fixed point are 180 equal divisions on scale A and 100 divisions on scale B. So we can say that for any thermometer scale, we'll write this reading on that thermometer scale minus its lower fixed point divided by its upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is equal to a constant. So over here it is given that this upper fixed point minus lower fixed point will be equal to the number of divisions. So in temperature scale A, it's this upper fixed point minus lower fixed point, or the number of divisions are given in question. So once again you can read the question. The graph between two temperature scales A and B is shown in figure. Between upper fixed point and lower fixed points, there are 180 equal divisions on scale A. So what we'll do is we can say that upper fixed point minus lower fixed point over here is something but 150 divisions, not 180, and 100 on scale B. So we can write same thing for upper fixed point minus lower fixed point for scale B is nothing but 100. The relationship for conversion between two scales. Now we are going to use this relation. So for scale A, from the graph we can observe that this is for a graph for A. Its upper fixed point is taken as nothing but 180 and its upper fixed point is taken as 100 and its lower fixed point is taken as nothing but like over here you can take it is given as 0. So we can write for first like temperature scale, its reading take it as TA minus its lower fixed point, which is, so just observe what is the value of lower fixed point in A. So for that purpose we can just observe clearly this diagram once again. So in this graph you can clearly observe this. In this graph this point is marked as something but 180, and see on the right side they are given this, that this distance is nothing but 150. So we can say that this is going to be nothing but 180 minus 150, or we can say that this is equal to basically 30. So this is the lower fixed point for A, and for B this is nothing but 0, starting from 0. So we can write the lower fixed point for A is nothing but lower fixed point for A is nothing but 30. So we can write this as TA minus 30 divided by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is number of divisions in A, which is given as nothing but 150, which is equal to, or you can write this as 180 minus 30 is equal to, we can write the reading in like thermometer scale B minus its lower fixed point. You can observe that its lower fixed point is starting from 0, so its lower fixed point is 0 divided by number of divisions over there is nothing but 100, or upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is 100. So that is the relation between this TA and TB, or you can just write it like TA minus 30 divided by 150 is equal to nothing but TB minus 0, TB divided by 100. That is the relation between TA and TB.